Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change AliExpress profile picture. So let's get started without further ado. Launch open AliExpress application and make sure that you're logged into your account. You can also do this on a web browser by typing in aliexpress.com and logging in. After you are in the main homepage of AliExpress, tap on your account button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, tap on your username at the top left. This will then open up your profile page. Tap on Edit right next to your username, and then at the very top, you should be able to see Photo option. Simply tap on the option and then you can either take a photo from your camera or choose one of the existing image from your library. Here I'm going to choose one of the image from my library, so let me tap on the second option, that is choose from library. Allow necessary permissions to access your photos on your device by tapping on allow. Now simply go ahead and select a picture you'd like to upload or change as your profile picture. Once you are done selecting the picture, tap on choose and wait for a few minutes. And there you have successfully changed your AliExpress profile picture. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.